Well, Beryl impacted Houston in so many ways. Obviously, there was high wind, lines on the poles being damaged or impacted. We have well over 2 million customers without power in our city. The other part would be floodings. High water is definitely another issue that we saw during Hurricane Beryl. And now we're in recovery phases. We are now at the war room, where's our operations center for the Texas region, where all and every recovery effort is generated through this location to make sure we are reaching every area in our market. Out of this operations center, we're evaluating the areas of impact and the level of resources we need to send to a specific area. It takes courage, it takes heart, it takes love to the community. A reminder to everybody why the services that we offer at Xfinity, Comcast, are so important for our customers to keep them connected each and every day.